Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're into all things Apple and cutting-edge wearables, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the latest buzz around Apple's most rugged smartwatch, yet the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3. From groundbreaking performance upgrades to sleek design changes and software enhancements powered by watchOS 11, there are some big things coming. In this video, we're covering 8 major Apple Watch Ultra 3 leaks that you definitely don't want to miss. Thinner and lighter. Titanium build. One of the most consistent rumors from supply chain analysts and tech insiders is that the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will feature a refined titanium chassis, making it thinner and noticeably lighter than its predecessors. While the Ultra line has always leaned toward rugged and bulky, Apple seems to be rethinking that without sacrificing durability. Expect a stronger yet sleeker Apple Watch Ultra that doesn't feel as heavy on your wrist, even during long workouts or hikes. New S9X chipset. Next-level performance. The second-generation Ultra introduced the S9 chip, but the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is rumored to debut an upgraded S9X processor, bringing massive boosts in processing speed, app performance, and energy efficiency. That means faster Siri responses, smoother watchOS 11 animations, and extended use of power-hungry apps like Maps and Compass without draining your battery in a flash. This new chip is also expected to improve AI features, paving the way for even smarter on-device tasks. watchOS 11 exclusive features. According to several credible leaks, Apple is preparing watchOS 11 exclusives that will only be available on the Ultra 3 model, similar to how ProMotion features are locked to iPhone Pro models. These include new activity ring customizations, advanced recovery metrics for athletes, and a redesigned Smart Stack widget system optimized for outdoor adventure tracking. Think of this as Apple giving the Ultra line a truly premium smartwatch. Experience not just hardware, but software that enhances your everyday training and exploration. Even bigger battery life. Boost battery life has always been a strong point of the Ultra lineup. But reports suggest that the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will push boundaries even further, potentially offering up to 72 hours on a single charge in low-power mode. Combined with the efficiency gains of the new chipset, this makes it the longest-lasting Apple Watch ever. Perfect for back-to-back hiking days, ultra-marathons, or just peace of mind without daily charging. New dark titanium color option. Here's one for those who crave stealthy aesthetics. Multiple leakers are hinting at a dark titanium version of the Ultra 3, giving users a sleek, minimal, almost space gray Apple Watch Ultra to choose from. This new finish would not only look bold but also resist scratches better, making it ideal for those who frequently wear their smartwatch outdoors. If this leak is accurate, the color options for the Apple Watch Ultra will finally break out of the silver-only mold. Upgraded display with Ultra Bright mode. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 already reached 3,000 nits, but the Ultra 3 could take that even further with an improved OLED or micro-LED panel that boosts visibility in extreme sunlight. There's also talk of a new Ultra Bright mode that can intelligently adapt based on your environment, such as snow-covered trails or open water. This would be a huge benefit for outdoor adventurers and athletes who rely on quick glances in bright conditions. Satellite connectivity in the works. Possibly the most exciting upgrade on the horizon is basic satellite communication support for emergencies. Following Apple's rollout of satellite features in iPhones, industry insiders believe that the Ultra 3 will include SOS messaging via satellite. While it may not be full voice communication, it could enable GPS tracking and limited text functionality in remote, off-grid areas. For climbers, trail runners, or anyone working in remote locations, this could be a literal lifesaver. Modular band ecosystem and magnetic fast charging. Lastly, we're hearing that Apple might introduce a new modular band system, allowing users to swap out components or integrate new sensors directly into the band. Think blood pressure tracking or hydration monitoring coming via strap upgrades. On top of that, the charging system is likely getting an upgrade too, with faster magnetic charging and improved thermal management. This kind of ecosystem shift could change how we view accessories for wearables completely. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the Apple Watch Ultra 3? So, with all of these rumored upgrades from new titanium colors and improved chips to satellite connectivity and extended battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers, fitness lovers, and even tech collectors. And that wraps up today's video on the 8 biggest Apple Watch Ultra 3 leaks you need to know. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment about your favorite rumored feature, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Thanks again for watching, and as always, this is Techno Trend Zone, where future tech meets real talk. See you in the next one.